Did Jeffrey Epstein have a scheme to recruit underage girls to use them for purposes of sexual massages?
Objective form and foundation.
Can you ask me again, please?
Sure. Did Jeffrey Epstein have a scheme to recruit underage girls to use them for sexual massages?
Objective form and foundation.
Can you ask it a different way?
Did Jeffrey Epstein have a scheme to recruit underage girls for sexual massages?
Objective form and foundation.
If you know.
So, I don't know what you're talking about. I had not any idea exactly of the youngest adult employee that I hired for Jeffrey.
When you say adult employee, did you ever hire someone that was under the age of 18?
Never.
Did you ever bring someone who was under, or invite someone who was under the age of 18 to his home, any of his homes?
Objective form and foundation.
You can answer.
Can you repeat the question?
Yes. Did you ever invite anybody under the age of 18 to Jeffrey's homes?
Same objection.
I have a number of friends that have children and friends of mine who have kids, and in the invitation of my friends and their kids, I'm sure that I will have invited some of my friends' kids to come, if that's what you're referring to.
No, anybody that is not a friend of yours, any female under the age of 18, did you invite them to come to Jeffrey's home?
Objective form and foundation.
Again, as I said, I am not aware of having invited anybody other than friends of mine who have children to the house.
Did you
In addition to paying these underage females for sexual activity, you also paid them to bring their underage friends to you to also engage in sexual activity with. Is that correct?
I intend to respond to all relevant questions regarding this lawsuit. However, at the present time, my attorneys have counseled me that I may not. And I must assert, they have advised me I must assert my 6th Amendment right, my 5th Amendment right, and my 14th Amendment rights under the U.S. Constitution.
Your method of using underage minors to bring you other underage minors for sex, isn't it true that that method resulted in you engaging in sexual activity with underage minors on an everyday basis? Same objections.
Your firm has been described by the current U.S. Attorney as a criminal enterprise engaged in one of the largest frauds in South Florida's history, and as part of that fraud, creating, fabricating malicious cases of sexual nature against people like me and others. So unfortunately, though I'd like to answer that question today, I must assert my 6th Amendment, 14th Amendment, and 5th Amendment rights that my counsels advised me to do. Though I believe you know I'd really like to answer those questions today, I must assert those rights or risk losing my attorney's representation.
Isn't your game plan with all of these civil lawsuits that have been filed against you to spend as much money as you can to investigate and harass these young women into hopefully dropping the lawsuits against you?
Objection. Irrelevance. Move to strike. It's argumentative, it's harassing.
I'd like to answer that question. I think you know the answer to that question.
Yes.
However, today, my attorneys have advised me I must assert my 6th Amendment rights, my 14th Amendment rights, and my 5th Amendment rights.